Hello everyone. This application is all about inventory revaluation. The process of updating your recorded inventory cost to reflect the changes in your inventory's value. This inventory revaluation is helpful. And now I will show how this application will be working. This is for Odoo 16 version. First we need to go to the inventory module. In inventory module, we need to click on the configuration. We will be able to see a product categories menu. We need to click on this particular menu, and if you want to create a new product category, you can create it. Otherwise, you can take the existing category. And here you can see there is a category all, and here you need to select the costing method as FIFO, that is first in, first out, and the inventory valuation should be automated. So you need to select the costing method as FIFO, and you need to give the inventory valuation as automated. And here, once you give automated, it will show the account stock property. So you want to give the particular journal for which you want to post this. So that is stock valuation account, journal, and input account, output account, everything will be configured here, and you need to save this. And once if you save this, you need to go to the products, product master, and here you can see there is a product category. So you can change your product category to all, or if you want to have any other new product category, you can keep it as the same thing. And once this product category has been updated in this particular form, I will go to the operation and transfers. So I will create a transfer. So first I will create for Azure Interior, and operation type is delivery order, and I will be selecting the product as large cabinet, and I will give the demand, and I will click on save. I will mark as done, and I will click on validate. So I'm validating this. So once this document is validated, if you go to the reporting, you will be able to see a valuation menu. Clicking on valuation menu, you can see here the date, the reference, the product, the company, and the mood items is 1, and the unit value is 800, and total value is 800. If I go inside this product, if I go to the product, if I select the large cabinet, I will click on large cabinet here, and here you can see there is a cost is 800. So in the reporting valuation, this has been updated as 800. And once this is completed, I will go to the overview, and I will go to the operation. Here under the operation, you will able to see the inventory revaluation, which is newly customized. So if I click on inventory revaluation, I click on new. Here you can see all the information, that is I will select the date, and I will give the product as large cabinet only, and I will select the journal for which journal it should post, and I will select the account for which account it need to post, and I will give an extra cost. So there is 800, and now I will give as 9,000, or 9,000 I'm giving as an extra cost. And here you can see in the revaluation tab, the product stock move and the quantity present value is 800 and updated value is 9,000. Everything will be coming, and the cost will be changing. So the cost is the formula based on the updated value minus the present value. It will show this cost. And once this is updated, you can save this and you can validate. And once it is validated, it will be moved to the draft, from draft to done state. And once this is completed, if you go to the reporting and valuation, you will be able to see another reevaluation, that is the reference number, the date, and the product and company. And here you can see the mode, quantity, and the unit value with the total value. So this total value will be appearing from that particular revaluation screen. And similarly, if you create the or transfers for the receipt also, I'll give a customer. I will add an operation type as receipt, and you can add a product as a storage box, and you can give the demand. I will just save and mark as to do, and I will click on validate. This will be validated, and I will go to the reporting valuation. Here you can see there will be a transfer with the storage box product with a mood item, that is 14 is the value. So if I go to the product master, and if I look for that particular storage box, you can see here the value, the cost of this particular product will be 14. So in the reporting valuation, it will be showing as 14. and I will go to the operation inventory revaluation, and I will create another inventory that is for 8, and I will give a product as the storage box, and I will select a journal, and I'll select the account, and I will give an extra price as 500. And here you can see it will get validated, that is the present value is 14, updated value is 500, and cost is this much. So the cost will be updated value minus the present value, so you will get this cost. If you click on save and validate, this will be moving from draft to done stage. And if I go to reporting valuation, you can see another valuation will be created with the unit value, and the total value will be displayed here. So this is regarding the inventory revaluation app. If you have any query, then please note down in the below comment section, in the below query section. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.